tell nobody where we're going. Your boy made it up to the secret location. Not gonna be up here long. Came through a little drizzle. We gonna get in and get out. Flip this joint around. Remember I said them twos, baby, we out here. Late to the scene. Got my man from Revin. No Revin. We got something serious going on in the middle. Shots and darts. What's going on, brother? What's up, man? It's good with you. Chilling.
All right.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too, bro.
I spotted that thing from over there. I'm like, hold up. I know that bike. That's the cover. Sound good, boy. Basically, we at the end of this thing, but I just wanted to come up here and see what's going on, get a little ride out. Your boy been at work all day, so I slid up here just to see what's going on. Ain't too much going on. A few people leaving out. We out here. I won't be out here that long. Getting up out of here. I just wanted to slide through, slide in. Anytime I was going to get gas, I told her I was taking a ride. So she don't know I'm in Cary. Don't tell her I'm in Cary. Don't tell everybody it's in Cary. This is a private event. Everybody end up on this. A few people we know up in here. So we'll do this for a little bit and then we get up out of here. far you gotta go? Oh, Wendell? Oh, that way. Okay. Good little night ride. Yeah, I came from Benson, Andrew. Yeah. All right, it's time to hit these streets. We just came up for a little bit. We about to get up out of here. Slide back down the hill. Just want to let you know that we do this every Thursday. Invite only. So on Facebook, see if you can get in. You know what I'm saying? They out here. I didn't get here early enough. You know, I left work late. But remember, if you ride one, you own one. If you own one, you definitely have two of them pieces. Peace, Vic Nation. Peace, YouTube. We out.